Hello guys, today I have here this wall-mounted lighted mirror that it says that it's a double side magnification. In the first side we have the 1 and in the second we have the 10 magnification. It says here it's a rechargeable battery. So okay, in the back part it says, well, here's like an example of the 1 magnification and the 10. I think it's very good. I think 10 is really fine. And it says this wall mirror, it contains a LED light, a 360 rotation, a 3-color light, a touch switch, and a USB charging. And here are some examples of what you can do in this mirror. It says you can do your eyes makeup, drawing the eyeliner for the woman, sorry. You can use to put your contact lenses. I have one of these ones and I used to put my contact lenses because I use it, and in a moment we're going to try it. You can squeeze your acne, you can shave for men's, and you can also rub your lips. So let's going to open it and let's see what's inside. Okay, we're going to open it. It's easy to open it. Okay, the first thing I saw, it's the rechargeable cable. Then okay, we can see this this thing maybe to clean the mirror, and then we're going to take it carefully. Okay, it's like this. So let's going to open it. Wow, okay, it has these things to put it in the wall. It has 4, it contains 4, and then we have the, let me take it carefully, the mirror. Okay, it's like this. Okay, I have it here. Okay, and then in the back part it has the makeup mirror instruction is here. So okay, it comes the accessories that it has, how to put it, the charging tips, and the method, the installation method, the specification. It comes in this part, and the specification. So let's going to put it in my wall. Okay guys, so this is the mirror. I already installed it yesterday and I leave it charging. Here's the cable, it's this one, and here's my thing. So you just need to put it here in this side and then connect it here. I leave it for an hour and it's already charged. So for what you need to charge it, because in this side we have the LED, so you need to put it. You have like 4 types of LED lights. The first one, the second, the third, and the fourth, it's like turned down. This, it's very incredible because you can move it and you can close it, so it will not take too much space. This is the first magnification and the number 10 of magnification. I think it's very perfect because it's too close, and you can do like your makeup, your eyeliner, and also you can shave here. So this is how it looks.